Hey guys, okay, today we're going to show you a new product that we've got, and just like our ATC 200 series engines, I've gone ahead and designed a brand new aftermarket replacement heavy duty recoil pull start for the Honda ATC 110 engines. This particular engine is a 1984 model. Our kit will fit 1983, 1984, and 1985 units. The only thing you want to make sure is if you do have a 1983, early model 1983s were leftover 82s, and they had a 3-bolt catch cage. This kit will not fit those. However, majority of 1983, all 1984, and all 1985 units had a 4-bolt catch cage. This is a stamped steel catch cage. They tend to get bent up, twisted, broken, what have you. And like most engines and even ATCs, when you do find them, typically the pull starts are broken or missing completely, as is with this particular engine. So we have designed a much heavier duty solid steel catch cage that will just go on right in place of your original, and the pull start will just bolt on top of it and you'll be good to go. In your kit, we call these the power on pull starts. You have a power on decal that goes in the center of your pull start. You have a made in USA decal, you have instructions, and you have some hardware. Now the hardware, if you are installing this, I suggest that you use a couple dabs of blue Loctite on the screws just to prevent them from ever backing out. For this particular purpose, I'm not going to be using any Loctite today because I will be removing this pull start to rebuild this engine later. So you can see it's as easy as installing the 4 countersunk screws in the catch cage. Here's number 2. Here is 3. And number 4. Okay, once you've got your brand new steel catch cage bolted up, Loctited in place, you can see that it is ready for the Pullstart recoil. So we'll go ahead and take our new recoil, mount this right up on the engine, take your stainless steel screws and just put those in place. You got 3, you got 1 down in the lower right corner, okay, and you've got 1 down in the lower left corner, and you go ahead and snug those up with your wrench. You can also use some Loctite on these as well, just to prevent them from ever loosening up. No harm done. Okay, that one's snug, and third one also snug. All right, that's all there is to it. You've got yourself a brand new recoil, and as you can see, this will allow you to turn your engine over nice and easy, nice and quietly, and a very high quality, long lasting pull start that should carry you for years to come. That's it. That's all there is to it. If you need one of these for your 1983, 84, 85 Honda ATC 110s, you can get these on our website at buildnightparts.com. We do also sell on eBay. However, if you order directly from the website, you'll get a 10% discount due to eBay fees being so expensive. And if you need a pull start for your ATC 200, 200S, 200M, 200ES, 185 or 185S, please check out our website as well, where we do also have brand new power on pull start recoils for those engines as well. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care and enjoy.